Welcome to tutorial number 1. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create the geometry for tutorial number 1. To start, we will create a rectangle knowing the width, height, and base point. Select the Create Rectangle command as shown. From here, input a width and height of 3 inches and press enter. This will show a preview of the rectangle on your screen. Now, select the origin as shown here. This will place the lower left-hand corner of the rectangle at the origin. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the command. Now, choose the Fit icon to view the geometry. Your geometry will appear as shown up to this point. Next, we will create parallel lines. Choose the command Create Line Parallel as shown. From here, select the left vertical line and pick a point to the right of it. Now input a distance of 1 inch and press enter. Once complete, choose the Apply button to stay within the command. Again, select the left vertical line and pick a point to the right of it. This time, however, input a distance of 2 inches and press enter. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the command. Next, we will create circles. Select the Create Circle Center Point command as shown. From here, input a diameter value of 0.375 and select the icon to lock the value. Locking the value will ensure the 6 arcs will remain the same size. Now choose the Fast Point icon from the Auto Cursor ribbon bar. Input the values 0.5, 0.75 and press enter. Your circle will appear as shown. Select the Fast Point icon again. This time, however, input the coordinates 0.5, 1.5. Once complete, press enter. The next circle will appear as shown. Repeat the process one more time. This time, however, input the coordinates 0.5, 2.25 and press enter. Your third circle will appear as shown. Once complete, press the OK button to stay within the command. In the next step, you will learn how to use the Translate command to copy the circles knowing the distance along the x-axis. That being said, select the Xform Translate command. Choose the following circles as shown and pick the End Selection button. The Translate dialog box will appear. From here, ensure that copy is enabled and enter a value of 2 in delta x as shown. Once the parameters have been adjusted, select the OK button to exit the Translate dialog box. Your circles will appear as shown. To return the geometry back to its original color, select the Clear Colors icon. Whenever you perform the Xform command, the original geometry and the modified geometry will change colors. This gives you the opportunity to modify it if necessary. Now save the file in a folder which is easy to locate. This will complete the geometry creation portion of tutorial number 1. In the next video, I will cover a suggested fixture setup, the tool setup sheet, and how to set up the stock in preparation for machining your part.